Hi guys, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Hey, so Jason YK. All right, so I'm so sorry, guys. It's been a while. I dropped video on this channel. It's just because I've been very busy, like very busy these days. So, today I just want to. I told them on my Telegram channel yesterday. In case you're not on my Telegram channel, you're missing a whole lot. This week I gave them two free signals, and then we're able to make enough money on it. And then this week altogether, my team and I were able to book 900 and I think 950 pips, this week. I'm going to show you guys on my chat when I share my screen so that you guys can see how we did it. And then, so my Signal group has been activated again, but this time around, my Signal group is $100 per month. If you want to be on my Signal group, it's $100 per month. All right, guys. So that's that about that. And please, so do not pay anybody that is claiming to be me. I don't do account management. So don't send money to anybody claiming to be me. I will never charge you to send money to my account. And if you want to join any of my program, either mentorship or the signals or anything, make sure you hear my voice. I'm going to talk to you on the phone myself. Make sure you hear my voice before you can make any commitment. Then via the interview, if I'm talking to you guys on the phone, then I'm going to tell you what you need to do, guys. All right, so today I'm just going to tell you guys a few things you need to do if you really want to make money in forest. Some people might be saying, oh, forest is scam, this, that, this, that. Why they're saying that is because many people have lost money and many people have made enough money. Number one thing you need to do if you really want to be successful in this forest trading is I will advise you to stick to one pair. Don't jump from this pair to this pair because you can make money on this and lose it to this. It's better to be master in one than to be jack of all trade. You understand? So that's why for me, before I trade gold, I trade GU, I trade US30. If you check my video about 2 years ago, you can see the analysis the top down was doing on this channel is all about GU, EU, and all that, But when I did my review for a whole 1 year and I discovered I was making enough money on US30 and then I was losing part of it to gold and GU, then I decided to drop the rest and focus on US30. Then another advice I'm going to give to you guys is I will not advise you to join any signal group, including mine. I will advise you, I'm going to be blunt with you guys. I always tell you guys what is the best and what I do personally. Because I might drop a buy signal or a sell signal. You don't know why I'm buying. You don't know where I'm entering from. Yours might have hit stop loss and I'm still holding mine. I might have gone out of the trade and you are still holding yours. By so doing, you might lose money and I'm still in the game. You understand? So I will not advise you guys to join a signal. The only advice I'm going to give to you guys is try as much as possible. If you don't have enough capital, enough money to pay for mentorship, go to YouTube. You can check. I have enough on my YouTube channel. I can bet it with you. If you watch my video from 6 months ago or 1 year ago till now, you're going to make enough money on this on this forest. Trust me, without joining my mentorship, because it's only what I'm teaching differently, what I'm telling my mentees differently is just a few things that I cannot be exposing on this YouTube. That's just the difference. And the only thing I can say, okay, they know sometimes if I enter a trade, they know when I enter because sometimes we do live trading with my mentees, like was it on Thursday? Yeah, there's one of my signal provider for last week that actually hosted live trading. I was there also and they made enough money. So those are just the little different I can say. Well, I can bet it with you if you stick to this channel. I've told you, I've teach you all about CNBC. I've teach you all the conferences I use. Is it the psychological level, the key zones, the trend line, Fibonacci, and everything. I've teach you guys everything you need to know. But they are just little things like, okay, when I enter trade, how did I enter trade? What did I see to enter trade? And those are just the little different about the mentorship aspect. And there's something I didn't go into deep for CNBC. So those are just the little things I felt is different, you know. So, but I'm telling you, if you stick to this free content I'm giving you guys on YouTube, you're gonna make enough profit. Trust me. Today, if I share my screen, I'm gonna show you guys some things you can do, you know, on how to do top-down analysis and how we booked 950 pips last week, and then or hopefully maybe what we should be expecting next week from the market. You understand? All right, guys. So, another thing you need to do is if you're trading US 30, you know, like me, I'm based in Doha. Everybody knows. In Doha, or for US 30, if you want to really make money, stay away from London section. If you want to make money in forest and you are trading US 30, stay away from London section. Stick to New York. New York for Doha is 4:30 p.m., which is 2:30 p.m. GMT plus 1. You understand? So you can just check it out with any country you have, you know. So 2:30 p.m. GMT plus 1, that is when they release New York news. You will see that around that time, the market will be very, very volatile. It will be very, very volatile. If you're buying, you will know why. If you're selling, you will know why. And within 30 minutes, you know, you're in and out of the market. And then you will see clearly what CNBC is doing, you know. So if you want to enter a trade, stick to that New York section, you know. Just like yesterday, I was sleeping. Even during NFP, I was just sleeping. When they released CNBC, I was sleeping. So I woke up like maybe 30 minutes after CNBC. I went to the chat. I told my mentee, I just woke up. Let's see if we can do something. And to God be the glory, we saw a setup. We bought it for about 100 pips. We sell it again. Okay, we first sold for about 50 pips or thereabout. Then we bought it again, another 100 pips. I'm going to show you guys on the chart, you know. So that's another thing you need to do. You need to, Forex, just like I posted on my Telegram channel. If you're not that Telegram channel, the link is going to be in the description of this video. And now I'll be very much active on Twitter. So I'll put my Twitter link on this video as well, you know, and my Instagram. Everything is just going to be there. You understand? So another thing you need to do is if you want to make money in Forex, Forex is about 90% waiting. You wait, let the market, let it enter your trap. Don't jump, don't run after the market. 90% waiting, 10% execution. That is it. You understand? That is the rule. But if you are jumping in and out of the market, you make money, you lose it, you make it, you lose it. At the end of the day, maybe you make $500 profit. And somebody that was patient can make $1,500, $2,000, you know, and you guys are using the same lot size. And you are still putting yourself at risk. You are risking more on your account. And you're psychologically, you are just disturbing yourself. So wait, let the market enter your trap. Like in a week now, what we do now in a week, we might trade only 3 times, we might trade 4 times, and sometimes 5 times. But in a day, I don't trade more than once. I don't trade more than once. That is why my trade hardly hits stop loss. If I hit stop loss, I'll make sure I trade again to make it twice. This is not like revenge trading. No, I'll trade again. If I trade again, I'll cover that loss and make little profit. That's it, and I'll close for the day. And if my second trade is stop loss, I'm out of the market for the day. I know what I'm risking in a day. You understand? So another thing, make sure you have your trading plan, your trading journal, and know how many percent of your account you are risking a day, on a daily basis, and on a particular setup. You understand? If you are trading, if you want to enter a trade, you should check it. What's your stop loss and your win? What is the risk to reward? Does it make sense? If you enter this trade and the market go against you, does it worth it? If it go in your favor, does it worth it? Those are the things you need to check before you enter the trade. All right, guys, because I don't want this video to be too long, you know, it's because it's been long, I dropped a video. I'm supposed to make this video 2-in-1, you know, but I just want to put it together to drop it together. So right now, I'm going to drive you guys straight to my chart, you know. If you want to join my mentorship program is $500, just one-time payment. I don't do 1 year or something. One-time payment, $500. If you want to join my one-on-one, it's $1,200, you know. So that is it. It's based on choice, you know. So that's it. So right about now, I'm gonna share my screen so that I will show you guys what I needed to show you. Okay, guys. I believe you all can see my screen. So these are what we did this week, from Monday, I'm gonna take you guys to Monday, starting from Monday, what we did on Monday. Just gonna show you guys, Yeah, this was on Monday. This was the trade I took on Monday. All of you, you know why I enter my trade already. You know my conferences. In case you don't know my conferences, you can check it out on this YouTube channel. This was on Monday, the market was diving on, dancing around this zone, this psychological level. There is a zone here, there's trend line. When I saw this candle here, and then this one, we took the trade here, stop loss was below here, and we booked 100 pips. That was it. And we're out of the market on Monday. That's 100 pips. Then on Tuesday, moving forward to Tuesday, look at it. You can check the time out also. It's New York. On Tuesday, we're able to book 200 pips, although the market goes more than that, but we booked 200 pips and we're out of the market. I think I dropped the signal, 200 pips, and we're out of this. So you can check it out on my Telegram channel. I gave them a free signal twice this week. I think on Tuesday, this particular one, and another one on Friday. Yeah, that was Tuesday. You can see another one trading a day, and this was Wednesday. The same thing on Wednesday, just the same thing. It's like the key zones, psychological level trend line. I took the trade. I will book another 200 pips. That was on Wednesday, and this was Thursday. Forex, you have to just keep it very simple, just like I used to tell you guys. Keep it simple. Don't force it. This was on Thursday. Yeah, I think there was a news here. Yeah, this was on Thursday. I dropped this for my mentee when the market was around here. We dropped it here when it was around here. They were looking out for it, our trend line, key zones, and all. So I took this sell from here. From here, when I saw the rejection here, I was out of the trade. I think this was about 50 pips. Yeah, it was around 50. I booked like about 50. It went more, but when I saw the rejection, I just went out of the market. That was the 50 pips. And when I saw the next candle here, and then I checked CNBC. CNBC was bullish. Then we took this buy. I dropped it to on my channel. We took this buy and it was 200 pips. We booked 200 pips solid here. You can see, guys, it was 200 pips. Okay, this was 153 pips. We're out of this market. We're out of that, and that was on Thursday. I'm moving forward to Friday. Just like I told you guys, I was sleeping. This was NFP. I was sleeping. This was around New York. I was sleeping. I woke up here. Then I posted it. Now, I will try to put the screenshot somewhere here. I said I just woke up. Let's see if we can do something. Then what happened? I saw the setup here. Then we took the buy for 100 pips here. For 100 pips here. And this is it. I was out of it, 100 pips. Then I saw this dropped further. I dropped this free signal on my Telegram. You can check it out. Let me just show you guys, where is it? On my free yeah, this was it on my free Telegram channel. Yeah, I see. I said I just woke up. We can all manage this. I say we can manage this. Although the market was already moving, we're in. We were in already. Well, I posted it, but I didn't know I didn't drop it. So the thing later went for 200 pips rather. Anyway, this is it. When I dropped it, it was here. But it went all the way to this point. It was here. When I dropped it, you can all see this, right? You can see it here. So that's it. So then it went further all the way up. So that's it. And then the market dropped again, and we took another one here. We took another 100 pips here. That was yesterday. So, and then posted the result and all that on the channel. So that's it. So we just keep it simple. That's all we do. If you're not on this channel, you're missing a whole lot. I just advise you, it's free of charge to join. Just click on the link. It's going to be in the description box. Just check it out and then join the channel. So that's all we did this week. All right, guys. So what I need to teach you guys today about top-down analysis, let me use another place where I do my chart. I'm going to have class with my student in the next 1 hour. Our class is every Saturday by 6 p.m. Qatar time. So this is 6 minutes to 5 now. So let me just teach you guys one or two. Let me delete everything I have on my chart here. So right now, I would advise you guys to just pay attention. We go to the monthly, because a lot of people are having issue with how to spot or key levels and all that. This is monthly, and you can see the market has just been in between this month. You see? Yeah. So moving forward to the weekly, the weekly, let's mark out some zones on the weekly. I just want to teach you guys another thing, just mark out the high of last week, which is this, and then the low, which is this, you know. Now go straight to the daily, go straight to the daily. Okay, the daily, let's use another, this is daily. Then I'm gonna change the color. Let's use maybe like red. Yeah, and the low of it, I'm using Thursday now, and the low of it, you know. And then what else? 4 hours. The high and the low for 4 hours, the high and the low for 4 hours. 4 hours was here. Let me change the color again. I will ask you guys a question now. The high and the low. So can you guys spot something during the weekly? You can label it weekly high, weekly low, daily high, daily low, and 4 hours. When the market got to the weekly of last week, not this week, we just ended. What happened? The market got there and reacted to it. That's another way to spot a zone and reacted to it. The low, the market didn't get to the low. And what about the daily here? The market got here. What happened? Can you guys figure out something from here? When market got here, what happened? There was a reaction here. What about here? There was a reaction. What about the 4 hours? Here. So that's another way that you guys can just do your to spot your zones and all that, But moving forward now, let me just tell you guys what you should be expecting from the market next week. Let's see if we can have a trend line somewhere around here. Let's see if we can have a trend line somewhere around here. Yeah. We have this. This is 4 hours. This is 4 hours. I can mark out some zones from here, I have something here. This is 4 hours. What you guys should be expecting from the market next week. That's what I'm trying to just do for you guys right now. Yeah, we have the zone here, which is key level. We have another one here. Yeah. All right, so quick one. Quick one is what you guys should be expecting is Fibonacci, a high to the low. Yeah, the market is stuck around 50 fib level here. So 50 fib level there. So now, what I will be expecting is this is a zone. Seems to be a very strong zone, seems to be a very strong zone. And this is another one here, another area of concentration, which you guys need to pay attention to here. Need to pay attention to this point, to this zone as well. So I'll be expecting the market, still just like, still like a range, still like a range of ranging market. So the market is presently spot there. If the market should break out from here, expect a retracement here and then take it down further. It can either be here or it will take it down further to this point. That's it. Now, but if the market, if this zone should hold the market, expect something like this, and take it down up here again. You understand? So those are the things you guys should pay attention to. You know, we have our daily conferences, which CNBC is the father of it. All right, guys. So this is where I'm gonna stop for today. All right, guys. So I wish you guys all the best, you know, in your trading journey. Remember what I used to say, keep it very simple and always put God first, you know. Keep it very, very simple. Till I come your way again, this is Jason YK signing out. Bye for now.